The person who invented the 3D printer is truly a genius. They can print anything. The printer adds material layer by layer based on the 3D model until the final object's shape is formed. The 3D printer has multiple independent motors. The X-axis controls the left and right movement of the print head, the Y-axis controls the forward and backward movement of the platform, and the Z-axis, often implied, is responsible for the vertical movement. As the motor rotates, the printing unit moves up and down along the threaded rods. Since our world is three-dimensional, a 3D printer can theoretically print anything, provided it precisely controls these three axes. Beyond the handicrafts we are familiar with, 3D printers can also produce houses and even human organs. The material for the 3D printer is extruded from a nozzle with a heating element above it that heats the material above its melting point, turning it into a flowable state. Adjacent to this is a thermocouple to measure the temperature. Once the temperature exceeds the threshold, a thermal fuse will immediately cut off the circuit to prevent overheating. To avoid overheating the print head, a radiator is added to effectively dissipate the heat, thus improving printing efficiency. Additionally, there is an extrusion motor that applies forward pressure on the material, ensuring a continuous flow through the print head. 3D printing is a form of additive manufacturing, so the process produces almost no waste. In contrast, CNC machine tools use subtractive manufacturing, which creates objects by removing material. This process typically generates a significant amount of waste. Like and follow for more informative 3D videos.